Hey guys, Gerald here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to set up a Fiverr account with just your phone, right? So I'm going to go to my phone screen right now and I'm going to be setting up a Fiverr account live so that you guys can actually watch me do it. Before we jump right into this video, I want to invite you to join the online hustle family if you're not part of our family yet. All you need to do is to give the video a like, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification bell so that when I drop more videos, just like what you're about to watch right now, valuable videos are going to actually show you how to make money online. YouTube will send you a notification. Now that's it. I'm not going to waste your time. I'm going to go to my phone screen right now and show you guys exactly how to set up an account on Fiverr with just your mobile phone, guys. And let's go.
Okay, so we're on Fiverr right now. I'm on an iPhone device, right, as you can see, and it says open an app. That's what you don't want to do. We want to do this on our phone, so you need a browser to actually be able to do this, right? So what I'm going to do right now is, so where it says join on top of this, I'm going to tap join where it says join, right? And okay, so it opens this interface and it says enter your email right here where it says enter your email. So I'm just going to tap here and actually put in our email address. Okay, I put the email address and I hit continue, and it says choose a username and choose a password, right? So what I'm going to do right now is to choose a username. I'm going to choose this as username. I'm going to choose a password, right? I'm going to hit join, and it's logging us in. So yes, I'm going to save this password in our browser so we can remember it. And there's an email right here from Fiverr telling us to verify activate our new account. So I'm just going to tap this to open this email, and this is the email right here. It says you're almost there. Just confirm your email, and I'm going to hit activate your account, and I'm going to open with Chrome, which is here, right? And it's logging us in right now. Let's see if this works. So it says account successfully activated. Hey, this is a great time to edit your profile. So we just set up an account right now. Pretty easy, right? So the next thing we're going to be doing right now is actually edit our profile. It's also important that we continue watching the video to the very end, because that step you miss might actually be the step that's going to be a little tricky for you, and will make all the difference. So I'm just going to hit edit your profile on top of this place where it says edit your profile. So I'm just going to tap it and I'm going to wait for this to load up, guys. So it's loading, and it's almost there, and we are here. So it says we suggest viewing the desktop version of this page. Now this is where you are going to have a little challenge. So I'm going to hit this X button here, right? Then at the bottom of the screen where you have 3 dots, I'm going to tap it, right, and go all the way up and find request desktop site. We want to look at this the way it will look on the desktop computer, right? So these are some of the things that I'm going to be showing you guys in this video, and that's why it's important for you to watch videos from beginning to the very end, because that step you miss might actually be the challenge that you have been dealing with, or you are going to be dealing with, right? So do not click out at any point in time. Make sure you watch the video to the very end, as I'm going to be showing you guys everything with every stone turned. I'm just going to hit request desktop site, and this is loading up. I'm going to give it a while for it to finish, and it's almost done, and it's done, right? So right here it says what is your full name. Now it's important that you do not put a nickname, put your full name, so that at the point where you need to verify your account with an ID card or something, right, the name is going to match and Fiverr is not going to block your account. So it's important for you to put in your full name right here, your name, your first name, your middle name, and your surname. That is what you need to put right here. So in this case, I'm going to put this, right? I'm going to put this, which is this person's full name. Then I'm going to come here, online status. When online, your gigs are visible under the online search filter. I'm just going to come here and say forever. I'm going to change this to forever, right? Because you want to always be online. You want to always be online unless you are not, and I'm going to hit forever. Okay, beautiful. So account deactivation, that's not what you want to do. So I'm just going to hit save changes right here, save changes, and I'm going to wait. So save changes, and this is loading up, and we are done, right? So it says please check the box below to access the site. Don't worry, I won't click away for continue your normal visits. So what I'm going to do is to just click and hold, press and hold. I'm going to press and hold, right? Okay, and we are done with this. It's going to take us back to Fiverr so we can continue setting up our account. Okay, so okay, we're back into Fiverr. So you see the full name is right there. Then the next thing is account security. I'm going to hit account security. Beautiful. So this is where you change your password and everything now. But guys, you don't want to change your password. So coming to the second line where it says phone verification, this is very, very important. A lot of persons will have issues with this. So let me show you guys exactly how to deal with this. So it says phone verification. Your phone is not verified with Fiverr. Click verify now to complete phone verification. So what I'm going to do is to hit verify now, right? And this is okay. So it gives us this interface. Now our country is selected by default. So if you are in a different country than what is selected, so just tap here and select the right and type in the right country. But for me, the country that has been that is showing here is actually where I am right now. So I'm just going to tap here and put in my phone number. Okay, so I'm just going to put in my phone number here, and you have two options: either verify by SMS or verify by call. If I hit verify by SMS, a text message is going to be sent to my phone by Fiverr, right? And if I hit verify by call, they are going to call me and tell me the code to impute in the next step. So I'm going to hit verify by SMS, right? So this is loading, and this is where I'm going to put in the code. So I'm waiting for that text to arrive. Okay, so the code just arrived, 3871. So I'm just going to put it here, 3871, which is the 7. Okay, so I'm going to hit submit code right now, and hopefully it works. So it says phone number successfully verified, right? So, and there's an email here telling us that a phone number has been added to our Fiverr account, right? So we have successfully verified our phone number. So I'm going to hit OK right here, and let's see the next thing to do. Now the next thing to do is to add security questions. Now you're going to select security questions. These are all part of securing your Fiverr account. It's very important, right? So that hackers will not easily get into your account and steal your money after you've made money on Fiverr. So I'm going to hit select security questions. What was the name of your elementary school? What was the name of your first pet? What was your childhood nickname? In what city did your parents meet? What is the name of your favorite childhood friend? Right, so let's say I'm going to say select in what city did your parents meet, right? I'm going to put an answer here. I'm going to put this right as the answer, and I'm going to hit finish, right? So whatever question that you select an answer that you can always remember. So your phone number was verified successfully, thank you. And of course our secret question has been uploaded also. So if you come here right now, it says this has turned to edit. This has turned to edit because those has been done. So right now it says two-factor authentication recommended. You can go ahead and set this. That means that anytime you want to log into your account, an email is going to be sent to you, or an SMS or Fiverr notification is going to be sent to you. So you want to put that on. Of course, it's very fine. I'm going to hit to turn it on. So I just turned it on. So to help keep your account secure, we'll ask you to submit a code when using a new device to log in. We'll send the code via SMS, email, or Fiverr authentication. So this is all part of Fiverr security. Come here right now, and where it shows hedge, right? I'm going to tap it because we need to select a profile picture. It's very important. So I'm going to hit profile again. Go to profile, and to impute our profile picture and fill out this information. So this is it right here. So I'm going to tap where it says E, right? And take either photo library. That means you're selecting a photo from your phone, or you are taking a photo of yourself, or you are choosing a file. So let me go to my library and select a photo that I want to use for this interface. I'm going to select this image. So it says downloading from iCloud. So I'm just going to give it a while. Okay, beautiful. It's right here. So choose. I'm going to select choose. Right. I'm going to select choose, and the image is right here right now. All right. So the next thing we want to do is to click on okay, so you can actually preview the profile. So let's look at a preview profile to see what it looks like right now. Then we'll come back to it and finish up. So this is what it looks like. You see, member since May 2022 from Nigeria, and everything looking very, very fine. So let's go back and fix this. Now this where you showing this edit button, right? We need to click on this edit button, and the way it says what's your story in one line, right? So now this has to do with your niche. What exactly are you selling on Fiverr? What do you want to sell? You want to make it all encompassing, right? So let's say this person wants to sell video spokesperson, for instance. What I'm going to do is to say the best video vixen on Fiverr, right? Or whatever it is, the best freelancer or best whatever it is that you offer primarily. Is it video editing? Is it YouTube advert? Is it Google ads? Is it digital marketing? Whatever it is, just use a one-liner that is catchy enough, right? Or you can say the best of the best, or I offer best services at all times, something like that, right? So you need to give it some thought, but don't think about it too much. The best video vixen on Fiverr, right? So I'm gonna hit update to update this, right? So okay, so this is done. So you can actually preview your profile and let's see what it looks like right now. So I'm going to hit this and it says, you see where it shows the best video vixen on Fiverr, right? See where it shows. So I'm just going to go back right now and okay, description. This is also very important. This is where you describe what you explain yourself on Fiverr, right? You sell yourself. So this place is a one-liner. Now this place, you have a lot more opportunity to actually do something amazing with this place. So you can click on edit description, right? And you can go ahead and tell us about your hobbies, additional expertise, and anything else you'd like to add, right? So you can say, I'm a graduate of so and so, I offer so and so services, I have experience in so and so and this, but I would like you to limit these things to your expertise, right? Because these are what people are trying to buy from you on Fiverr, not your hobbies and not anything else. Your expertise, right? Your professionalism, whatever it is that you're offering on Fiverr, that is what I will advise you to put here, right? Once you're done with it, you're gonna hit update to update this space. So again, English language, you need to select the languages that you speak. Okay, so just come here and add your languages. English, right? I'm gonna select English, right? English space. Okay, English from the list. Okay, beautiful. Fluent, and click on add, right? If you speak other languages, please go ahead and select it. Even your native language, I'm sure you will find it here. So let me see. This is my own native language. It's showing up right here, right? Like I thought it would. So return. Okay, so add again. I'm gonna select Igbo, which is my native language. Right, gonna select it. So your native language, you're gonna find it here as well. Select it and select fluent or native or bilingual or whatever it is. Now another thing you need to do is to add your social media account, right? You have the option of adding Facebook, Google, Dribble, Stack Overflow, GitHub, Vimeo, and Twitter. Whichever you have, you need to add it right here, right? So just click on Facebook and connect your Facebook account. It is that simple, right? It is that simple. Putting your log into Facebook and automatically it connects. So I'm not going to be doing Facebook connection right now. So I'm just going to go back, even your Google account, Dribble, and all of that. Now, the next thing is your skill set is very important. So you can add your skill. What skills do you have? Add new and put in your skills. Video, okay, let's say video making, right? Explainer videos, beautiful. That's the one. So explainer videos, experience, expert, and hit add, right? Whatever it is, let's say virtual assistant, virtual event, virtual assistant, data entry assistant, virtual words, whatever it is. Let's say data virtual assistant, experience level. I'm going to select expert and hit add. So you can add as much as you want, right? As much as you can add. Please add your skills right here. It's very, very, very important. Now, education, you're going to select your education, add your education. Country, so which country do you go to school? You're going to select it from your list, right? For me right now, this is my country where I went to school. College name of the university you actually went to. Okay, so I select this, let's say this. So this is it right here, select on the list. So it doesn't matter what university is, it's going to show up right here. If it doesn't show up right here, you're going to see you're going to have an opportunity to actually type it in yourself. So title, what did you read? Bachelor of Arts, right? And major, okay, so BSc, accounting, year of graduation. Okay, so select year that you graduated, 2010, and hit add, right? So this is pending, right? So certification, do you have any certifications? You can add it here. You have CCNA, you have whatever certification that you have, you can add it here, So, and that's it for this place right now. Let's assume that we are done with all of this, right? Now, the next thing we're going to do is to come right here. Okay, one small step, please check the box. Okay, so it's trying to verify that we're actually human and not a bot. I'm not going to hold this and hold it, and okay, this is done, right? This is done right now. So okay, beautiful. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to come here where it says create a new gig, right? Now gigs are things that you need to start selling on Fiverr,
right? So this is how to set up your account. We've set up an account and verified our account and done everything that we need to do. After you've done this, the next thing that you need to do is actually set up a gig so that you can start selling on Fiverr. Now, gigs are like services that you actually sell, and that is where you make money. You know, when you sell these services, you make money on Fiverr, right? So guys, in this video, I've shown you guys exactly how to set up an account on Fiverr. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up a gig on Fiverr with your phone, right? If that's a video that you want to see, let me know in the comment section, and of course I'm going to be making that video next for you guys, right? Because what I do on this channel is basically show you how to make money online. So these are things that I've done myself. I try it out, it works, then I come right here and show you guys exactly what I've done. And the whole idea is that you can do the exact same thing and get the exact same result. So if the video on how to create a gig on Fiverr is a video that you want to see, let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to be making that video in my next video actually, guys. Until I see my next video, keep winning, and don't forget that Gerald does love again. Wait for me, guys.